Ever get stuck trying to find the square root of a number that isn't a perfect square? Let's solve square root of 50 in just 5 seconds, without a calculator. First, keep your perfect squares in mind. We need to find the nearest lower perfect square to 50. Looking at our list, that's 49, which is 7 squared. So, our base number is 7. Now, let's find the decimal. Subtract 49 from 50 to get a remainder of 1. This becomes our numerator. For the denominator, simply double your base number. That is 7 times 2 is 14. So, our estimate is 7 plus 1/14. 1 divided by 14 is approximately 0.071. Add that to our 7, and there you have it, 7.071. It's that easy. Now it's your turn. Use this trick to find square root of 83 and drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math shortcuts.